was a deep dive into ITD cementation, but time to slip into a short break. We'll come back with another interesting stock. PB Fintech is in the Swotlight on the other side. Into Inside Out, and this is our Swotlight segment. Well, the new age companies, they are in focus, so we thought let's put Swotlight on the same, and this one is a recent listing. Been a year and listed at a premium of 17% and 1,150 rupees a share. So yes, good listing for PB Fintech, but look at the stock since then. It's down almost 67% from those levels. Let's understand the business in that case. It is basically an aggregator. It started as an insurance aggregator and from there diversified its businesses, entered the credit business as well. It has subsidiaries like Policybazaar and Paisabazaar. So Policybazaar, it is the flagship platform and is digital insurance marketplace, and Paisabazaar is their credit business where there are disbursals. In Policybazaar, company earns revenues via insurance commissions which are earned on solicitation of insurance products or policies, outsourcing services which are provided to insurers in relation to activities outsourced by them such as telemarketing, sales and post-sale services. There's account management, premium collection, etc. Rewards earned from insurance partners, generally based on volume and quality. Now in Paisabazaar, commissions are earned from the sale of financial products based on percentage of loan disbursals or a fixed fee in the case of credit cards. Then there's online marketing and consulting services including bulk emailers, advertisement banners on its website and credit score advisory services, and sale of leads as well, which is revenue from the sale of lead information of potential customers to banks, etc. In terms of financials now, the revenues for the company, they have been growing steadily. Total revenues have risen from 492 crore rupees, that is in FY19, to around 1425 crore rupees in FY22. And in first half as well, performance has been strong for the company. Majority chunk of these revenues, they have been coming in from Policybazaar, that is the insurance business, and then Paisabazaar, and they have some revenues coming in from their diversified businesses as well. Now for PB Fintech, it's not EBITDA margin but contribution margin, which is the key metric to evaluate operating performance as it factors in the direct cost of operating the business. It is calculated as revenue from operations less direct expenses pertaining to employee benefits and advertisement and promotional costs. This for the company saw sharp improvement, and then it settled around the 23 to 24% mark in FY22 and first half of FY23 as well. As per a GM financial report, it is motor insurance which has highest contribution margins, which is followed by life and then by health. And this is led by lower costs that motor insurance business has to bear. Company has guided for improvement in its numbers, guided for EBITDA, that is before ESOP expenses, break even by FY 2023 itself, and improvement in EBITDA by 150 crore rupees a year from FY 2024. They have also guided for an EBITDA of 1,000 crore rupees by FY 2027. But mounting losses, they continue to remain a concern. They did come down from levels of 347 crore rupees, which was seen earlier, to around 150 crore rupees in FY 21. But then there was a sharp increase to 833 crores of losses in FY 22. And even in first half, losses are not less. At 390 crore rupees looks like a substantial number. Now in terms of risks, introduction of Bima Sugam could be another big risk, as this will bring in a lot of competition. The company did mention that Policybazaar will bring down commissions to match with Bima Sugam, which of course will impact financials. But they did add that they have enough capital to take care of losses if commissions come down significantly. And despite all this, the valuations are not cheap. At 3 times FY25 price to book is the valuation for the company. So investors are waiting for bottom line to show some growth. Okay, all right. With that, we have run out of time on this episode of Inside Out. It's a goodbye from Nigel and I. But do write to us and tell us the companies you want us to discuss and you want to hear about. And we'll feature these on our show. Thanks a lot for watching.